In this video, I'm going to try to take a dropshipping store from $0 to $1,000, and if I fail, I will go bald. But this isn't your typical dropshipping challenge because I will be using AI, spending no money on paid ads, and using a secret type of dropshipping that no one talks about called digital dropshipping. Digital dropshipping is by far the best way to dropship because instead of having to worry about low profit margins, shipping, running out of inventory, getting refunds, and tons of other common e-com problems, digital products allow you to have very high margins, stock unlimited inventory, requires no shipping, can't be refunded, and helps protect you from a dropshipper's worst nightmare, PayPal bans.
One kiss is all it takes.
So if you want to see me go from $0 to $1,000 dropshipping from scratch and also get tips about digital dropshipping along the way, you need to watch this video until the end. Alright, the first step to dropshipping digital products is finding or creating a product. And since I'm trying to prove this is possible to do with very little money, I'm going to create my own product with ChatGPT, which will cost me $0. It's either going to be a cooking recipe style book because those are in high demand, or a guide on how to get rich because there are so many rich style videos on TikTok nowadays that I could repurpose to promote my product. And you know what? Yeah, everyone wants to be rich and my knowledge on cooking is very low, so I'm gonna go with the make money online guide. But before I finalize that idea, I need to look on social media to see if other people are selling something similar profitably to ensure it will work. So I'm gonna research that now, then get back to y'all.
They was hanging back in high school. Now these niggas wishing they could do what I do.
Yup, I was right. This is a great idea. In a few minutes, I already found tons of TikTok pages doing this, including one called Wi-Fi University that has to be making over 1K per day. In fact, it's probably more. They have hundreds of accounts that all funnel to their $17 make money guide, and those accounts get millions of views every day. I tried to find a website that allows me to see their exact sales, but their store is on ClickFunnels, not Shopify. So I found a similar account who is selling on Shopify, and they are doing $80 to $200 per day on average with only a few thousand followers. Hence, this clearly works, and my strategy to succeed needs to involve creating tons of organic social media accounts like they did. But before we get into that, I need to actually create the product, and to do that, I need to come up with a solid name. Names are a very popular phase of dropshipping that holds people back for no reason. All that really matters is that your name explains your product well. Like, I'm creating a PDF guide on how to get rich, so I could call it something like the How to Get Rich Now guide, or actually just the Get Rich Now guide. Then after coming up with a name, I go to GoDaddy.com and look up the name of my store.com to ensure I can get it. Having your product's name.com is super crucial to e-commerce success, and luckily for me, mine is available for only $13. So now that I have the domain, it's time to create the logo, which I will do by myself in Photoshop by snapping my fingers. That took me about 5 minutes to create, and it looks pretty good besides the text is small. Now that I have the concept, the domain, and the logo, I can finally create the product. So I'm gonna go over the ChatGPT and have it create my Get Rich Now guide one chapter at a time. First, it'll write the intro. Second, it'll write 21 different ways to make money online. Third, it will write the conclusion. Then once all that's done, I'll run it through a grammar checker and turn it into a PDF with my logos on it. Okay, the PDF is fully created, and alongside all the research and other stuff I did, it took a grand total of 3 hours to get the final product. It's 33 pages of great value, and I'm sure anyone who purchases it will truly benefit from doing so. So now I need to create a website so people can actually buy it, and since I don't feel like screen recording for a few hours, I'll check in with y'all once it's done. Alright, that took way longer than it should have because I had to contact Shopify support, but I'd say the site looks pretty good. I created this product photo which explains what's inside the Get Rich Now guide. I added the logo everywhere, I added FAQs, I added the typical 50% discount, and then I got rid of literally everything else, so my site only has a product page and a contact us page. This should result in a better conversion rate because no one can get lost like on a common e-com store, which has way too much information and confuses the customer. And now that everything is ready to sell, I need to strategize how to get over $1,000 in sales so I don't have to go bald. Last night before I went to sleep, I created a bunch of social media accounts to promote the Get Rich Now guide organically because like I said, I can't spend any money on ads in this challenge. My plan is to download Get Rich style videos on TikTok, then spam post them on as many accounts as possible to have the highest chance of going viral. And here's 2 secret tips for y'all beginner dropshippers. 1, when you're doing organic, make sure the first few videos on your pages are created on TikTok so they don't flag you as a robot and shadow ban your account. 2, make your social media username your website's domain. That gives your brand way more exposure, especially when starting out, because TikTok doesn't allow accounts with under 1K followers to have a link in bio. That's some free sauce that no other YouTuber will tell you, so please thank me by hitting subscribe. We're getting really close to 100K subscribers. And I'll update y'all tomorrow after I post a bunch of videos. Guess what, boys? I got 2 sales yesterday and 2 sales overnight for a total of $79.96. That is awesome considering it was the first day I posted any videos and I spent $0 to get those sales. And if you're wondering why it says $80.46, it's because I did a test purchase of 50 cents to ensure the site works and customers can download the PDF once they buy it. For the rest of the challenge, I'm gonna stick to yesterday's posting schedule of 5 to 8 videos per day on each platform. And then on top of my organic content that can generate me sales, I'm gonna reach out to Instagram accounts related to money and offer them a 50% affiliate link to promote my product. AKA, they'd put my link in their bio, and for every sale they generate, they'd get $10 and I'd keep $10. It's a great way to make us both some money and exactly what Andrew Tate did with Hustlers University, which is one of the main reasons he became extremely famous. So right now, I'm gonna send tons of those DMs to hopefully lock in some affiliate partners and get me past that $1,000 profit mark. It's 3 days later because I didn't film an update while I was traveling, but we are nearly halfway there. I got 10 sales yesterday, which is $200, and in total, the Get Rich Now guide has made me $460 so far. My plan is clearly working, so I'm gonna continue doing it alongside creating an upsell. Upsells are when you offer a customer who just bought one of your main products something else for a cheaper price. This is great for increasing the store's profitability because the only thing the customer has to do is press buy because they already entered their payment information. Common upsells are warranties, PDF guides, and video tutorials because those products cost the company nothing to create and tremendously increase revenue. So I'm gonna create an affiliate marketing guide with AI right now, add it as an upsell to my website, and hopefully that'll get me over 1K in sales so I don't have to go bald. Alright, it's been a couple days since I created the upsell, and so far it has 1 sale, bringing my store's total revenue to $849.55. That's pretty crazy considering I came up with that idea a few days ago, and now that idea is a very profitable business that cost me like no money to start. So for y'all who want to start dropshipping, you need to stop procrastinating and start now. This challenge literally proves that you don't need much money to succeed, you just need the knowledge on how to succeed. And to help y'all acquire that knowledge, I created my very own beginner dropshipping course. It walks you through all the steps of dropshipping, including finding a winning product, creating a Shopify store, marketing it through paid and organic ads, and unlike any other course out there, it teaches you how to dropship low ticket, high ticket, and digital products like I did in this video. So if you want a helping hand that will walk you through each step to become a successful dropshipper, my course is that helping hand. I already have students making $200 to $400 per day in their first month of dropshipping, and you can do that too. Just click the first link in my description or go to loganski.com to get started. And now it's time for what y'all have been waiting for. Did I reach $1,000 in sales, or will I have to shave my head bald? Let's see. I said let's see like I don't already know the results. The answer is yes. The store did a total of $1,039.47 since I started it, and I'll refresh it twice for y'all real quick to prove it's legit because unfortunately a lot of YouTubers fake this stuff. So yeah, that was a lot of fun, and I definitely want to do more challenges. So please comment your craziest challenge ideas below. Check out my dropshipping course if you want to start dropshipping. And until next time, you can watch this 24-hour dropshipping challenge I did a few months ago. Just click right here and God bless.